don't see bears wrestle on your pool deck every day, and Burris didn't want to.
The Fish and Wildlife Service advice was to scare that bear.
So she bought an addition to their lanai, and you can hear it snap into action 1 week after Burris shot the first video.
They clearly didn't run in fear, but the alarm made them uncomfortable, and they didn't want to stick around.
That screeching sound is an animal alarm Burris bought online. It cycles through different sounds and has Burris convinced.
I've never seen them back, and I've never seen the signs that they've been back.
According to FWC, you can use an alarm like that, but you can also use something like a loud whistle or air horn.